I get this question a lot at events. People want to know how to properly clean their vinyl soft top windows, and I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing, we're out on a trail right now, so I brought some water with me, but a hose will also work. So you want to start by using some water and a clean rag and spray it down like so. Wipe all the dirt off of it. And I should mention that you want to be in a shaded area like you see here. You can see the dust coming off a little bit on this towel. And then we will take the cleaner, and you use this kind of like a buff or wax, where you want to use a nice like microfiber, put a little bit of it on there, and I'm going to buff it into the window using circles, just like you would with a wax. And you want to try to avoid getting it on the material of the soft top, but it's not a big deal. You can wipe it off if that happens. So I got myself a new rag here, and I waited till this dried off. Then I'm going to come up and just, same thing, use circles to dry off and remove the window cleaner. And this kind of polishes this in a way while cleaning it.